Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the new concept commercial mathematics. So what is the meaning of commercial? Already we have learned the same concept in a different name. Life mathematics. What day to day life we have do some operations using the mathematical operations. What are there? Morning we get after what we do? We go to any work. Your mother doing some works, is it? First move to the kitchen. First என்ன செய்வாங்கம்மா கிச்சன் போவாங்க. போனோடனே ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு மெஷர்மெண்ட் தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. என்னது? குக் தி ரைஸ். ஸோ வி ஹாவ் மெஷர் சம். அதுலேயே ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுது மேக்ஸ். அப்படி தானே ஃபஸ்ட் எடுத்தோடனே என்ன செய்வாங்க, எவ்வளோ வேணும் அப்படிங்கிற மெஷர்மெண்ட் எடுத்து போடுவாங்க. ஸோ அது என்னதுமா ரேஷியோ ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிருக்கோம். ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல் படிச்சிருக்கோம். First proportional, second proportional, third proportional, fourth proportional. That also we have learned in the 7th standard. Okay, so by now we are familiar with the terms like ratio, proportion, unitary method and percentage. These are all already learned in the 7th standard. So this year we have briefly learned about these concepts. Okay, so already learned what is that? Variation means varying, change it. As I so change in one quantity brings about a change in the related quantity is called the variation. Okay, for example, I have bought one pen. Okay, the cost of one pen is 50. Okay, and after we have bought 3 pen. Okay, so what is that? The value will be increased. So what is that? How many rupees? 150 rupees. Okay, this variation, this is called the variation, change in one quantity. So number of pens, consider the one quantity, brings about the change in the related quantity. ஒரு பெண்ணோட ரேட் 50 ரூபானா நான் அதோட குவான்டிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணனா கண்டிப்பாக காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பென் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ரீஸ்ட். Okay, so this variance is called the variation. Okay, variation have two types. First one is direct variation, another one is inverse variation or indirect variation. Today we are going to see the direct variation. Direct variation means when two quantities vary directly, the ratio of two given quantities also a constant. That is the formula y by x equal to k constant. This also we have that. So what is the definition of direct variation? Direct variation when a given quantity is changed in some ratio. Ratio la increase aachina, then the other quantity is also increased or changed. Okay, in this same ratio inge increase aachina inge increase agum appadana. This is one of the example for direct variation. Appadana the same change inge increase agudhu, increase ஆகிறதுக்கு இப்படி சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ நம்பர் ஆஃப் குவான்டிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸிங் அண்ட் காஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பென் ஆல்சோ இன்க்ரீஸிங். திஸ் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் வேரியேஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் டைரக்ட் வேரியேஷன். வாட் இஸ் தட்? Direct variation. So what is the formula for the direct variation? Y by x equal to k constant. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept already. We well thorough in the 7th standard also. Okay, now move to the examples problem. Example 1. If x and y vary directly, find the missing entries in the following table. So one of the table is given and clearly said if x and y are vary directly is given. So directly means direct variation. Okay, so you have to find out the value of the unknown numbers, x and unknown values. Okay, so the table x, y 3, 1.2 and x1 3.6 and 15 y1 and x2 10.8. This tabulation is given. Here find out these unknown values. So what is the formula for the direct variation? Y by x constant. X by y is equal to constant. X by y is equal to constant. This term by this. Okay. So first we have compared these values. What is that value? Three by x, okay, is equal to x1 by 3.6. Okay, is this cancel in 12 table? 12 3s are 12 3s are, okay. So denominator and denominator will be cancelled and then multiply. 3 3s are 9. So x1 value was 9, okay. x1 value was 9. And next we have compare these two statements, okay. So x1 already find out. So 9 by 3.6 is equal to 15 by y1. It cancel in 3 table. 5s are. Now just multiply. So 3y1 is equal to 5 into 3.6. What we get? 3.6 into 5. 5 6 are 30. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 18. So 18. So 3 is cancelled 6 times. So y1 is equal to 6, right? And then compare these two values. So 15 by y value was 6, y1 value was 6 is equal to x2 values. What is the x2 value? Hey, did you know? We have to find out. And denominator was 10.8. Here also we have cancel in 3 table. 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Okay, numerator and denominator we have cancel, and corresponding numerator and corresponding denominator we can cancel. Okay, and then let's cancel in 2 table. Is it 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are, 2 4s are. Okay, now multiply. 5 into 5.4 is equal to x2. 5.4 into 5, 20, 25, 27. So x2 is equal to 27. That's it. Okay, right. New book, give it the constant term. Find after apply the constant term for each of the variation. Okay, so need not to find out like that. So comparing these two quantities, first find out the x value. After compare these two value, find out the y1 value. After compare these two quantities, you have to find out the x2 value. Okay, and next one, example 2. A bike covers a distance of 300 km in 4 hours. What distance will it cover in 7 hours? Some hours. Okay, so So the bike covers the distance. So which are the data are given, you will draw like this, the statement. Okay, the first one is distance, and second one time. Distance kilometer per hour, time hours. So first 300 kilometer, how many hours? 4 hours. Okay, and then what distance will it cover in the 7 hours? 7 hours க்கு எவ்வளோன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ டிஸ்டன்ஸ் எவ்வளோன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஓகேவா? சின்ஸ் த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் வேரி, ஸோ இத்தனை கிலோமீட்டர், எத்தனை டிஸ்டன்ஸ்மா 300 டிஸ்டன்ஸ்க்கு வந்து 4 hours ஆகுது. ஓகேவா? இப்போ 7 hours ஆகுது. கண்டிப்பாக என்ன ஆகும்? இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். இட்ஸ் அ டைரக்ட் வேரியேஷன். ஓகே, த டிஸ்டன்ஸ் bike is increase. Then time also increase using this symbol. Okay, it is a direct variation. Direct variation, that is x by y is equal to k constant. Okay, so this by this we have considered, is it? This by this, x by y equal to x by y. So x value is 300, x y, x by y is equal to x by y. So cross multiply, can you cancel this? 4 2 table 150. Okay, it's also cancel 100 and so how many times is possible? 15, 7, remaining 1, 10, 5. 2 table, 2 7s are 14, remaining 1, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So 75 into 7 is equal to x. So multiply 75, 7s are 35, 49, 52. So 525 kilometer per hour. Per hour. Okay, right. Hence the distance covered by the bikers. Hence distance hence the distance covered by the bike is 7 hours is 500 and in 7 hours is 525 kilometer per hour. Right, and next is one of the example 3. If the weight of 6 sheet of paper is 45 gram, how many sheet of the same paper will weight 1/2 kg? Okay, so what is given? The weight of 6 sheet. So table இப்படி போடலாம். Another one, see In your book, give it the table in this horizontal. Okay, so number of solution. So what are the data are given? So paper, number of sheets and then weight in gram. X, Y. Okay. Number of sheet. First 6 sheet. How many weight? Kg of weight? 45 gram. And next one. How many sheets? We didn't know. We have to take X. And the same paper will weight is 1 by 2 kg. 1 by 2 kg in gram already here written. Okay, right. So first, number of sheets is increased, the weight of the gram also increased. Okay, so it is a direct variation. Okay, from the question, number of sheets increased weight of the gram also increased. It is direct variation. That is x by y is equal to k constant. K constant. So first x by 45 is equal to x by 1 by 2. Okay, so it can return 6 by 45 is equal to x by mixed fraction change to the proper fraction. Okay, so 5 2 plus 3 by 2. Here kg is given, is it? Here gram is given. The second one is given kg, kilogram. So largest value. So what we do? Have to multiply. We have to multiply from which one to which? Gram to kilogram. So we have multiply by 100. Okay, so multiplied by, so kilogram, so 1000. So multiplied by 1000. Okay, why do you multiply 1000? Convert kg to gram. Okay, kilogram to gram. So multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 6 by 45 is equal to x by 3000 by 2. 3000 we have divided by 2, 1500. 1500. Now it cancel in 15 tables, right? 15 ones are here, 15 threes are 45. Now 3 cancel in 2 times of 6 and then now cross multiply. So 200 is x equal to 2 100. Hence 200 sheets of paper will weight 1/2 kg. Right. And next one, example 4. A piece of ribbon is cut into 2 parts in the ratio 3:5. If the length of the longer piece is 20 cm, find the length of the shorter piece. So, length of the longer piece measurement is given 20 cm irundichna. Okay, find the length of the shorter piece. Okay, so draw the table. Let the length of a shorter piece of the ribbon be x centimeter. Okay, we have to find out the shortest one, is it? Yes, we have considered x. Draw the table. Okay, so ratio is given. So ratio of part and then length in centimeter. So 3:5 is the ratio. Okay, so length we didn't know. X here 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Say here ratio of the part is increased. Length part is increased, then part is increased, then length of the ribbon also increased. It is a direct variation, that is x by y is equal to k constant. K constant. Okay, so 3 by x equal to 5 by 20. 4 times, so cross multiply 12, cross multiply x, so x equal to 12 centimeter. Hence the length of shorter part is 12 centimeter. And fifth one, the scale of a map is 1:5 crore. If the distance between the two cities on the map is 7 centimeter, then what is the actual distance between them? What is the actual distance between them? So let the actual distance between the cities be x. Okay. என்ன கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்களோ we have considered to x, that's it. Okay, right. So let the actual distance between the cities be x centimeter. Okay, then distance on map centimeter, actual distance in centimeter, right? Okay, so the scale, when first given the ratio 1:5 crore is given, 5 crore is given. Okay, so one more zero you have added. Okay, right. And next one, this between the two cities of map is 7 centimeter. Then what is the actual distance between them? So first one is 7. Now find out the x value. Okay, right. So it is a direct variation. The distance, since the distance varies directly, therefore 1/5 crore. Okay, 1/5 crore is equal to 7/x. Just multiply. So 35 crore. So x equal to 35 crore. Okay, you have the distance in the kilometer. Okay, listen, the conversion unit is a King Henry. Okay, King Henry drink usually dark chocolate milk. Kilo, hectare, deca, units, general units. What are the general units? Gram, meter, liter. Okay, and deci, centi, milli. Okay, deci, centi, milli. Here the meter is given. Okay, so unit is meter. Now, so biggest number to smallest number you have to multiply. Biggest number to smallest number you have to multiply. Here what is given? Centimeter is given. Centimeter here. Okay, count the units. Okay, centimeter la inga varudhu. Appo enna pannuma? Smallest to biggest we have to divide. Smallest to biggest we have to divide. Okay, so centi la irundhu inga vanum kilometer la eludha porom. Okay ma, so 1, how many zeros we have to add? 1 2 3 4 5. So divided by 10,000, 1 lakh. Okay, okay amma ஏன் divide பண்றோம்? smallest numberல இருந்து biggest numberக்கு மாத்தும்போது divide பண்ணனும். Okay, biggest numbersல இருந்து smallest number போகும்போது we have to multiply. Okay, so இத simplify பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. 5 zeros cancel ஆயிரும். So what is the answer? 3500. So 3500 kilometer. So x equal to 3500 kilometer. Okay. An example 6. The length of the shadow of a 360 centimeter high pole is 250 centimeter. Find the length of the shadow of a 450 centimeter height pole, and second one, height of the pole with the shadow of 120 centimeter. Okay, so shadow we have considered x. Okay, height of the pole be y. Let's the length of the shadow be x centimeter and height of the pole be y centimeter. Okay, now draw the table. Height of the pole. Okay, and next one, length of the shadow. Length of the shadow. Okay, so height of the pole, shadow, so pole is length of the shadow. Length of the shadow is 360 centimeter height pole. So height is 360 and shadow is 250. Okay, and next one 450. The length of the shadow of 450 centimeter height pole. We have to find out the length and then of the shadow and then find out the height of the pole with the shadow of 120. Shadow is 120 centimeter. All in the unit centimeter. Okay, you will write general here. Centimeter. Commonly write within a bracket centimeter. Right. Okay, these data are given. So first simplify these two quantities. After simplify these two quantities, you have considered y. Okay, right. Simplify 360 by 250 is equal to 450 by x. Okay. 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3 fives are. Again it cancelling. 3 table. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are. Okay, that's it. Now multiply. 4x is equal to 5 into 25. 250. Okay, so it's multiply 25 5s are 125 and then 0, so 4x. Okay, multiply these values. So x equal to 1250 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, remaining 1, 10, 4 2s are 8, remaining 2, so added 0, so 4 5s are, so x is equal to 312.5. Okay, right, centimeter. And next one, simplify these two values. So 450 by x value is 312.5 equal to y by 120. Y by 120. So here the decimal point is there. Numerator and denominator multiplied by 10. Okay. So 3,200. So 125 is equal to y by 120. Okay, now cancel in 5 table. It cancel in 5 table. Nine fives are 45. 0. 6 5s are 30, 6 2s are 10, 5 5s are. Again 5 table, 5 1s are 5, remaining 4 40, 5 8s are added 0, 48s are. Okay, right here 5 1s are 5, remaining 1 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are. Now cancel these two values. 5 table, 2 5 25. Here 2 5s are 10, remaining 2 24. Here numerator and denominator cancel in the 5 table again. 5 5s are 5 3s are 15, remaining 3 6. Okay, now we get 36 by 5 is equal to y by 24. Now cross multiply these values. (36 into 24 is equal to 5y). 36 into 24, 4 6 are 24, 12, 14, 12, 1, 6, 7. So 4, 6, 8 divided by 5. So how many times is possible? Multiply of this value. 864 is equal to 5y. So y is equal to 864 by 5. So it cancel. 5 1s are 5, remaining 3. 7 5s are 35, remaining 1 14. So 5 2s are 10, remaining 8. So y is equal to 172.8 centimeter. Okay, right. So the first one, the length thus, the length of the shadow is 312.5 centimeter, and then the height of pole is 172.80 centimeter. Okay, right. Next one of the example, Mandeep purchased 3 kg mangoes for rupees 135. How much does he need to pay for 8 kg? 3 kg की 135 ना कड़ीपा 8 kg की increase आगा. It's a direct variation. Okay, it's a direct variation. Example 7, Mandi purchase. So solution, let the amount he need to pay be rupees X for 8 kg mangoes. Okay, right. Draw the table. Quantity of mango in kg. Okay, kilogram, and then price of mango, price of mangoes in rupees. using this symbol. Okay, so first one, the mandi purchase how many kg? 3 kg for how many rupees? 335. And next, pay to 8 kg, we have to find out the x value. Okay, so it's a direct variation. Okay, you will write the sentence. From the table we have observed the direct variation. Next what we do, so 3 by 135 is equal to 8 by x. Okay, so it cancel in 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Now multiply x equal to 8 into 45. Next move to here, cross multiplication. So 45 8s are 360. So 8 kg of mangoes is rupees 360. Rupees 360. Thus Mandi needs to pay rupees 360 for 8 kg mangoes. Okay, I hope you are understood today's concept. Is it? What are the things we have learned today? Variation. It has two types, direct variation and another one is inverse variation or indirect variation. Today we have seen only the direct variation. Direct variation means when a given quantity is changed in the some ratio, the another one of the quantity also change in the same ratio is called the direct variation. Okay, and also you have observed these examples. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt to me. Thank you, students.